What is the difference between heat and internal energy? Imagine you are cooking on a stove. You see the water bubbling and heating up. But what exactly is happening with the energy involved? That's what we're here to find out. When we talk about energy in thermodynamics, two key ideas come up: heat and internal energy. They are related but not the same. Internal energy is the total microscopic energy inside a system. It includes the energy from particles moving around and the forces between them. Think of it like the total energy stored inside the water molecules in your pot. This energy depends only on the current state of the water, like its temperature, pressure, and volume. It's a property that stays the same if the water stays still. Now, heat is different. It is energy in transit. It moves from one place to another because of a temperature difference. When you turn on the stove, heat flows from the burner to the water. But heat itself is not something the water possesses. It's the energy that is flowing into or out of the water during heating. Heat depends on the path taken, meaning how the energy transfer happens. It's a process function, not a property of the water at a specific moment. To understand the difference better, think of internal energy as the amount of energy stored inside the water at any moment. Heat, on the other hand, is the energy moving into the water from the stove. When heat flows into the water, it can increase the internal energy. When heat leaves, the internal energy decreases. This idea is explained by the first law of thermodynamics. It states that the change in a system's internal energy equals the heat added plus the work done on the system. So, if you add heat to the water, its internal energy goes up. If you do work on the water, like compressing it, that also changes the internal energy. In everyday terms, when you heat water on a stove, the heat energy flows into the water and makes the molecules move faster. This increases the internal energy and raises the temperature. But the heat itself is just the energy transfer, not a property of the water. Knowing this difference helps us understand many processes, from engines to chemical reactions. It clarifies how energy moves and changes form in different situations. Heat is the flow of energy, while internal energy is the total energy stored inside a system at any given moment.